Hello and welcome to the MBH Show. I'm Matthew and this is my show. Today we have an unboxing of what is in the box for a firearm. This is by request. It is a Sig Sauer. Sig Sauer. Some people say sour. Some people say sower. Sig Sauer. P365. It's a small firearm, and we're going to see what's in the box because it's always exciting to see. This is what California, this is what they give you, what they let you have. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Okay, so it comes with two magazines. I believe one's in the firearm itself. It's wrapped in cellophane, in which we will take out in a minute. It comes with some photocopied, top quality brochure for Youth Handgun Safety Act notice from the ATF. Very important to read all the things that you're responsible for. It looks like a manual of some sort with a QR code, and this is the scan this code for operators manual and registration, so we'll need that. Looks like it comes with a sticker, and people know I like stickers. I don't put them on anything, they always go bad, but here's a join the NRA brochure. That's all up to you, whether or not you want to do. It also comes with a little marketing thing for the P356, so you can do as you wish with that, holsters and such. And then it has a congratulations on your purchase, everyone is happy type thing. Okay, comes with a flag, chamber flag, so you know that it's empty. You put that in to the chamber so that you know that there's nothing loaded, no ammo has been placed in the unit. Let's see if there's anything under here. Nothing under there. Anything under here? Yes, there is. There is a looks like a firearm safety device instruction. So this is basically for your how to use the lock that I see is right under here. The lock, which I don't, I'll take it out right now. I'll take it out right now. Sorry, that was bad filming, but not a fan of these. They're great if you don't have a safe, but I like to lock my stuff up so that no one can get to it, or they can get to everything at once, one of the two. But this is actually, even if you have a safe, this doesn't hurt if you have to have a little bit more security. This is good to have and own. Okay, so let's line this up and show it all at once. There's the case. There's that. Here's the firearm. Here's this. Okay, bunch of nonsense paperwork, but it does come with a sticker. Okay, so let's take this off. This is the firearm right here. We'll go ahead and make sure it's clear. It's clear. We'll Drop the magazine. It is empty, so that everyone's happy. There are no bullets or ammunition in this room, so that is a good safety thing. So I just took those out. It comes with 2 of those. I'm gonna just unwrap everything and throw the wrapping over there. I will take this off, and I will now do another angle. So that's what it looks like. And let's go ahead and do another angle. Okay, so as you can see, this is just all the important stuff right here. I have all the manuals and paperwork that I probably will not do anything with. File away somewhere so that I have it, just in case I need to prove that I have it. I don't know why I would, but California is a weird state. So there you have it. This is what it looks like. It's very small. I'll take it out. So that's what's in the box. That's what's in the box right there. Basically, that's the important stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and take it. We're going to put a magazine in it. Okay. We're going to close it if we can, because it's a little, okay, so we want to actually see that nothing is in it. Nothing is in it. And so this is what it looks like, right? So it's a little tiny, it's tiny. It's tiny, okay? It's pretty tiny. And great size. It seems like my hand does fit on it. The one thing that this has is it has a safety. So this, what this is right here. Right here, that's a safety, which I'm not used to a safety. So, but I do see that it's placed in a good location, so that's safe. We're gonna double check that again. Safe, see, nothing happens. That's safe when it's up. So if you're pulling it out and you grab onto it, you can put your thumb just on it and then get it in place, okay? So you can get it all lined up on pretty much where you want it. So I mean, right, so you're gonna have to do that with your thumb or however is comfortable for you. But so this is a safety, and it is what it is. Okay, so that's it. Tiny little P365. So I'm excited to take this to the range, and I will show you the first shots. And it's going to be a day or two, but check it. And also check out, if you live in California, check out the episode I'm doing on how to obtain a firearm in California. They're probably not going to let me record, but I'll continue with doing that episode to completion. So I'll go through the steps. If I have to go in and not film, that's fine, or record, that's fine, but I'll tell you a play-by-play on what happens before and after. So that is it for this unboxing of a P365 Sig Sauer. Can't wait to shoot it. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please let me know what you think. Like I said, this was this was a couple users wanted this, and a few users want to know about how to obtain one in California. So I'll go through that. Little did I know that my audience was well-versed in a variety of different topics and curiosities, which is fantastic. I love that. So please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you want to donate or contact me, you can contact me at contactme@thembhshow.com. That's contactme@thembhshow.com. Thank you for watching. Really sincerely appreciate it, and I will see you next time.